On Saturday, February 1, 2025, at approximately 2:43 a.m., officers from the Menifee Police Department responded to reports of gunshots in the 25,000 block of Mesa Edge Court. Upon arrival, officers discovered the deceased body of a female, later identified as 38-year-old Storm Wolf of Temecula. Officers suspected she was the victim of a homicide, and the case was subsequently taken over by detectives. Jose Velasquez, a 45-year-old male acquaintance of Wolf from Menifee, was identified as the primary suspect in her death. Velasquez fled the scene before officers arrived. Following investigative leads, authorities determined that Velasquez may have traveled to the city of Santa Ana. The Santa Ana Police Department was contacted for assistance in locating him and his vehicle. Santa Ana police officers located Velasquez in his vehicle and attempted to make an arrest. This resulted in a vehicle pursuit, which ended in the city of Newport Beach, where an officer-involved shooting occurred. Velasquez was pronounced deceased at the scene.
Shots fired, suspects down.
Shots fired, suspects down. Looks like he has a .417 in his right hand.
.417 in his right hand, suspects down, shots fired. Pier.